Hi everyone, this is Farhan Machlovi. Today I am going to create a portrait of another inspiring personality. In this video, you will see how I create this portrait from a rough sketch to the final touches. Here's the reference photo that I will be using for this portrait, and here's the drawing paper that I will be used for the portrait. So stay tuned with me. I hope you all enjoy the video. So these are the art materials that I need for the portrait. Firstly, these are the mechanical pencils that I am using for the outlines. Then these are the color pencils for the main portrait. These are soap pastels and these are white charcoal pencils. I am using both these materials for the background of the portrait. And lastly, these are other materials that I am using for small details. Before we get started, I would like to introduce you all to the personality I am going to draw today. The person I am drawing is Raja Nasir Ali Khan, a political figure from Gilgit-Baltistan, Pakistan. He is well known for promoting beauty and tourism of Gilgit-Baltistan to the world. His efforts and contributions inspire me to draw this color pencil portrait, and the main purpose to draw this portrait is to pay tribute to him for his valuable work and dictations. So let's get started. I always begin by drawing the outlines of the portrait, which are the starting point. Then I start applying colors to the paper. For this portrait, I started with the head. After that, I move on to the skin tones. I like to focus on the eyes early in the process because they play a major role in capturing the personality and expressions of the subject. And eyes are also one of the most challenging parts for me. Then I move on to the other facial features, including the nose, lips, ears, and skin tones. At this stage, I pay close attention to small details and textures to enhance their realism. Once the face is complete, I start working on the clothing. After finishing the main portrait, I began working on the background. As the portrait nears completion, I add the final touches. After some final touches, the portrait is complete. So that's all about the artwork I hope you all enjoyed watching the process. If you like the process, don't forget to leave a like. And I will see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching.